Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Farah Ain binti Amaruddin, and today I would like to discuss about the application of mathematical logic with my friend Shamimi binti Mazlan and Nurul Nabila binti Khairul Anwar. We are from ED 2491B. Alright. What is mathematical logic? Mathematical logic is a subfield of mathematics exploring the application of formal logics to mathematics. It consists of methods of reasoning where it provides rules and techniques to determine whether an argument is valid or invalid. There are many advantages from learning this topic that we can apply in our real life. What is your opinion, Shamimi? What do you think?
Assalamualaikum. I am Sharon binti Mazlan. Now I will explain about one of the advantage we can find in learning mathematical logic. For me, the advantage is students can learn how to develop and to communicate their own proof of non-mathematical proof. Why I'm saying this? Let's take a look at the topic of proofs of inference. If we get a question, we need to prove the conclusion given or find a new conclusion. Students will answer the question based on their intuitive experience and creativity. The answer can be vary among all students, so that is why I say students can develop and communicate their own proof. What is your opinion, Nabila?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nurul Nabila binti Khairul Anwar. Logical reasoning is of great societal importance and as stressed by the 21st century skills framework, also seen as key aspect for the development of critical thinking and new ideas development. By learning mathematical logic, it teaches us on how to think more critically and uses logic to separate the truth from false as well as reasonable from unreasonable beliefs. These are the other advantage of the mathematical logic. Most of the engineers and scientists, they had applied this mathematical logic and proving techniques inside the computer and translated all the data into simpler informations or arguments.
What a great opinions, and I'm totally agree with you guys. For me, math logic also help us improve our understanding of the real world. For example, when we learn the topic of implication, we say P implies Q, where P represents the hypothesis or assumption we make and Q is the conclusion. From the topic, we enable to make a prediction and also take action. You guys agree with me?
Yes, Ain.
Yes, I'm
Alright. What about the disadvantage of mathematical logic?
Actually, for me, not all things in real life can be related with mathematical logic and mathematics due to nuance and uncertainty. Mathematical world has been set up to eliminate the uncertainty elements, but in real life, we cannot ignore it. For example, when a driver always be careful while driving, they tend to get into accidents too. Why? Because probably there must be other factors that cause the accident, such as flat tire, maybe it's stormy, or maybe it is caused by other people's carelessness. So there are few uncertainties behind any situation that we can ignore in real life.
Yes, that's true. Mathematical reasoning also can be costly and lack of real time. This is because in real world, not everyone can truly understand and use this method to solve problem. Thus, we need to hire an expert to solve the problem. Yeah.
okay. Have you guys ever heard of fuzzy logic? Fuzzy logic is under the umbrella of the mathematical logic. In real life, we may come across a situation where we can't decide whether the statement is true or false. At that time, fuzzy logic offers a valuable flexibility for reasoning. In fuzzy systems, the values are denoted from 0 to 1 number. For instance, 1.0 means absolute truth and the 0.0 means absolute falseness. However, fuzzy logic is not always accurate, so the results are perceived based on the assumption. So it may not be widely accepted. Like an auto blood pressure device, the values or result is not as accurate. Taking the BP blood pressure manually using sphygmomanometer manometer.
Okay. Actually, we are almost out of time, so just a few things to wrap up. Logical thinking is the heart of math. It contains proof methods and it is important not only in math but also in our real life. It's all about proving your thesis by using different ways. But most importantly, learning logic teaches you how to think. Alright, that is all for now. Do you guys want to add something?
No,
No,
Ain.
Ain.
Okay, so let's end our discussion now and have a good day, guys. Bye.
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 Thank you.